You are going to love the 2017 Prius C. A sporty look, premium interior, and safety features galore are all characteristics of the Toyota Prius C. The Prius C was also built with efficiency in mind. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, starter type, motor generator, daytime running lights, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front, dual seat cushion, airbags, driver, knee. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.